167 species in genus Potamogeton. Diving deep with pondweed, an exploration of the Potamogeton genus. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the water. Whether it's a rushing river, a placid lake, or even a small, forgotten pond, I find something inherently calming about watching the interplay of light and shadow on the surface. This fascination naturally led me to develop an interest in aquatic plants, and among them, the Potamogeton genus from Potamogetonaceae family, commonly known as pondweed, holds a special place in my heart. These unassuming plants, often overlooked in favor of more vibrant aquatic flora, play a vital role in freshwater ecosystems around the world. They provide food and shelter for a variety of aquatic creatures, from tiny invertebrates to large fish and waterfowl. They also help to oxygenate the water and stabilize sediments, contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. What truly captivates me about Potamogeton, however, is their incredible diversity. This genus boasts over 100 species, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some species, like Potamogeton natans, have both floating and submerged leaves, while others, like Potamogeton crispus, are entirely submerged. This diversity allows Potamogeton species to thrive in a wide range of aquatic habitats, from shallow ponds to deep lakes and flowing rivers. A closer look at Potamogeton species. Identifying different Potamogeton species can be quite challenging, even for experienced botanists. Their physical characteristics can vary significantly depending on environmental factors such as water depth, nutrient availability, and water flow. However, some key features can help with identification, including leaf shape, size, and arrangement, as well as the structure of the stipules, small leaf-like appendages at the base of the leaves, and the fruits. Here are species within the Potamogeton genus. Potamogeton alpinus. This species is characterized by its reddish-brown stems and leaves, which often have a distinct, wavy margin. It is typically found in cool, clear waters. Potamogeton amplifolius. One of the largest pondweeds, this species has large, oval-shaped floating leaves and long, ribbon-like submerged leaves. It prefers deep, slow-moving water. Potamogeton crispus. This species has distinctive, crinkled leaves with serrated edges. It is a highly adaptable species, tolerating a wide range of water conditions. Potamogeton gramineus. This species exhibits a wide range of leaf forms, from narrow and grass-like to broad and oval-shaped. It is often found in shallow, nutrient-rich waters. Potamogeton lucens. Known for its translucent, shining leaves, this species prefers clear, deep water. Potamogeton natans. This common species has both oval-shaped floating leaves and long, narrow submerged leaves. It is found in a variety of still and slow-moving waters. Potamogeton perfoliatus. The leaves of this species are heart-shaped and clasp the stem, giving them a perfoliate appearance. It is commonly found in slow-moving rivers and streams. Potamogeton preolongus. This species has large, elliptical submerged leaves and prefers deep, cold water. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of conservation. Despite their ecological importance, many Potamogeton species are facing threats due to habitat loss, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species. It is crucial that we recognize the value of these plants and take steps to protect them. This can include efforts to improve water quality, restore degraded habitats, and control the spread of invasive species. As someone who deeply appreciates the beauty and ecological significance of Potamogeton, I believe it is our responsibility to ensure that these fascinating plants continue to thrive in our waters for generations to come. By understanding their role in the ecosystem and the challenges they face, we can work together to conserve these underwater treasures. I encourage you to take a closer look at the next pond or lake you encounter. You might be surprised by the diversity of life that exists beneath the surface, including the often overlooked but vitally important Potamogeton.